In this video, I will show you step by step how you can restore missing chat history on Messenger. So step number one is to head over to Messenger. Now, once we're on here, we want to go to the bottom right hand corner, click on more. And then what we can now do is we can simply click on settings at the top of this page. Now, once we click on settings, we need to make sure we then find message storage. As you can see at the moment, mine says off. So what I can do is click on this, and then you want to turn on secure storage. Click on this right here, go to the bottom, click on continue. And then once we turn this on, you can then create a brand new pin. So I'll just put in 12345 6. You then want to re-enter this pin in here. And then once we do this, it will then take a couple of seconds just to confirm. Now, once you do that, you will then be on this page. And as you can see, once you've set this up, this will then restore any chat history on any device that you are using Facebook Messenger on.